Hello student. So today we will discuss about the division algorithm for polynomial. So yesterday we discussed up to the how to find the zeros of the polynomial and how to make the establish the relationship between the coefficient of polynomial with the zeros. Okay, so today we are going to learn about the division algorithm for polynomial. See, division algorithm for polynomial. So it is a simple example. Simple example. Okay, this no need to panic. Suppose 7 we need to divide 7 by 3. So I 7 of 3 by divide. Okay, we need to divide 7 by 3. Then 3 divide 7 how many times? 2 times. 3 2 is 6 and remaining 1. Okay, so here this is considered as a dividend. This is considered as a dividend. Then we have to consider another one. This is a divisor. This 3 is the divisor. At 3 to equal divisor, and this is quotient, and this is remainder. Mane অসমীয়াত ক'ব গ'লে এটো divide into ভাজ্য ভাজক ভাগফল আৰু ভাগশেষ. Okay, that is dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. So how they are related? The relation to ki 7 is equal to what? 3 into 2 plus 1. Mane dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, they are related like that way. So if we consider this 7, it is a polynomial px. If we are considering a 7 as a polynomial px and 3 as another polynomial gx, or 3 to the polynomial gx, then quotient will be another polynomial. This is qx, and remainder will be another polynomial. This is rx. Then as per the division algorithm, what you will get? That px equal to gx into qx plus rx. Jot 7 or value ami dhorisilu px as a polynomial, 3 value is considered as a gx, another polynomial, q value also considered as a 2, this is another polynomial. Then remainder 1 is considered as a remainder, this is also another polynomial. Okay, so this is the division algorithm. So when we have given any of this, when we have not given any of this term, then you can find that term by using this relationship, that is px is equal to gx into qx plus rx. Okay, so we have to do some numerical problem, then we can understand. See, suppose we have given a question like that. Say we have given one question. Suppose px is given x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3, and gx is given what? X square minus 2. So amak enake dia ase jo px er value dia ase aru gx er value dia ase. Okay, so now we need to find what we are asked in the question number 1, that find the polynomial, divide the polynomial px by the polynomial gx and find the quotient and remainder. That is, we need to find the qx and rx. So how to find it? See, simple kotha ya. First we divide koribo laibo as ami janeke divide koru x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. We need to find this. Okay, then divided by x square minus 2. So when you are going to divide, you have to check only the first term. Only the first term of the dividend and the first term of the divisor. So dividend or the first term or divisor the first term, here we compare koribo laibo. So ami ki korim, dividend or first term to divisor of first term to ami ki korim, divide kori dim. Tar mane x cube divided by x square. So clearly here number of x is 3 and here number of x is 2. That means we can deduct, we can delete it two numbers of x. That is, this can divide, remaining will be what? X. Mane me actually divide ko ami ki thaki jabo answer to x. So we have to give here x time. So this is become x cube, and this is also 2 is there na. So these 2 must be multiplied with that one. So minus 2 into x minus 2x. Ito ami careful hobo laibo, ami serially ইয়াত অলপ পাতিব নোৱাৰিম আমি ইহঁতৰ ইউনিট কেইটা মিলাই মিলাই পাতিব লাগিব ইয়াত কিউব আছে ইয়াত কিউবটো অলপ পাতিছো ইয়াত স্কোয়াৰ টার্ম নাই সো স্কোয়াৰ টার্মটো আমি এনেকৈ স্পেস ৰাখি দিছো ইয়াত x আছে x ৰ তলতে আমি এটো x পাতি দিছো ওকে দেন সাবট্ৰেকশন we need to do the subtraction and always remember when you do the subtraction that line downside line sign will be changes মানে এই তলৰ লাইনটোৰ সাইন কেটা চেঞ্জ হৈ যাব that is this is plus x cube so this is become minus this is minus 2x so this is become plus যদি হে মাইনাস থাকে প্লাস হ'ব প্লাস থাকিলে মাইনাস হ'ব কিন্তু তলৰ লাইন কেটা হে উপৰ কেটা আমি সাইন চেঞ্জ কৰিব না লাগে উপৰ কেটা যেনেকৈ আছে তেনেকৈ থাকিব then when you subtract equal and opposite so it will be cancel so ওপৰত কি আছে minus 3x square so it is যেনেকৈ আছে তেনেকৈ নামি গুছি আহিব after that plus 5 plus 2 that means plus 7x then minus 3 it will again come like this way so এটা আমি চেক কৰিব লাগিব এইটো ৰিমাইন্ডাৰ আছে এই ৰিমাইন্ডাৰৰ ডিগ্ৰী হল 2 আৰু এইটো ডিভাইডাৰ আছে সৰি ডিভিজৰ আছে সো ডিভিজৰ ইয়াৰ তোমাৰ ডিগ্ৰী হৈ গল তোমাৰ 2 সো ডিগ্ৰী যেতিয়া ইকুৱেল আৰু গ্ৰেটাৰ থাকিব then we can divide but if the degree become smaller than the divisor then we cannot divide okay so এতিয়া এইটো স্কয়াৰ আছে সো ইয়াটো স্কয়াৰ আছে সো এইটো আমি ডিভাইড কৰিব পাৰো সো কেনেকৈ কৰিম minus 3x square divided by x square minus 3x square divided by x square so remainder will be what answer will be what minus 3 so minus 3 time আমি দি দিলো so minus 3 time দিয়াৰ লগে লগে কি হৈ গল minus 3x square minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6 over here okay and subtract আকৌ ইয়াৰো চেঞ্জ হৈ গল সাইন কেটা minus 2 plus হৈ গল আৰু এই তলৰ সাইনটো মাইনাস হৈ গল মই ব্ৰেকেটত লিখি দিছো যেটা মাইনাস আছে so this is become 7x minus 9 now you can clearly see here the degree is 1 and here the degree is 2 so we cannot divide now okay that means we have to stop our answer here therefore the question qx equal to what x minus 3 remainder rx which is 7x minus 9 so this is our required answer so enako answer question bur dia thakile ami etu pattern use kori pulai yar answer to koribo lagibo okay so next we are going to discuss one more question what is said that obtain all the zeros of the 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 so we have given a polynomial 3x to the power 4 then plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x and minus 5 okay আৰু ইয়াৰ দুটা জিৰো দিয়া আছে সেই জিৰো কেটা কি হয় root over 5/3 and minus root over 5/3 এই দুটা আমাক দিয়া আছে সো আমি বাকিখিনি উলিয়াব লাগিব ইয়াত so here এই দুটা জিৰো যেটা দিয়া আছে that means একেটা x ৰ ভ্যালু দিয়া আছে and we have to see here what is the highest power that is what is the degree of this polynomial the degree of this polynomial is 4 that means yesterday video I said that if the degree of the polynomial is 4 then the number of 0 will be also equal to 4 numbers of 0 it will have okay so as 2 zeros are given so we need to find remaining 2 zeros so these are the zeros of this same polynomial so you can write what x is equal to root over 5/3 and x is equal to minus root over 5/3 এটা আমি লিখিব পাৰো then this is keep this move this from the right hand side to the left hand side of the equal sign so x minus root over 5/3 it will be 0 and x this is minus already so it is become plus 5/3 equal to 0 okay now x minus root over 5/3 into x plus root over 5/3 equal to this is the value 0 into 0 so here it is what a minus b whole into a plus b that means a square minus b square formula so you can write what x whole square minus root over 5/3 whole square equal to 0 okay or you can say x square minus 5/3 equal to 0 so to remove this decimal to remove this fraction. Okay, 3 is there, so আমি এই ভিতৰটো multiply কৰিছো 3 লগত 3 লগত যদি multiply কৰি কিমান থাকিব 3x square minus 5 is equal to 0. So now we need to divide this given polynomial by this number 3x square minus 5. So এখিনিকে আমি কৰি পেলাই ইয়াৰ পিছত আমি 3x square minus 5 ৰে ইয়াত divide কৰিব লাগিব. Okay, see how to do it. This number must be divided by 3x square minus 5. So this number must be divided by 3x square minus 5. So here it is 3x to the power 4. Again comparing the first term, 3x to the power 4. Here the first term is 3x square. So if you divide this, 3 will be cancelled and this divide 2 times. That is, you have to give x square time. So when you give the x square time, this is become 3x to the power 4 and minus 5x square. So minus 5x square, 2x square tolodel ami bahai dibo laibo. Ami baki keta tolor bahabo noarim. So subtract kora logale etu plus to minus and minus to plus hoy jabo. This is plus become minus, minus become plus. Now this is become what? 6x cube. Now you see that this is minus 2, this is plus 5. That means plus 5 and minus 2. That is plus 3x square. Okay. After that, plus 3x square. Then it is become minus 10x. This is become jitu upor janeke ase teneke tolore nami ahibo. Yar upor kharitor kono dhoroner sign or changes nohoy. And this is become minus 5. Okay. Now this is 3x 6x cube and this is 3x square. Etia etu divide koribo paro ami 2 times. And it will be x cube. That means 2x plus 2x. So when you give the plus 2x, so this is become 6x cube minus 10x. So again subtraction, this is become minus, this is also become plus. So equal and opposite, this will be cancelled. So 3x square and this will be cancelled, only minus 5. So now you clearly see 3x square minus 5 is here and 3x square minus 5 is here. Okay, so we can write, give one time only 3x square minus 5. The remainder become 0. Okay, so ami gom palo je your remainder to ki hoy 0 hoy. So ami yak compare koribo paro. Now we can compare. Now this question will be x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. We can compare this. Okay, then if you see that this is directly, you can write x plus 1 whole square formula na, because eto ene midterm splitting koribo paro ami, but eto directly mili ase a plus b whole square formula. So you can write x plus 1 whole square is equal to 0, or write twice x plus 1 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. This implies x plus 1 is equal to 0, or x equal to minus 1, and x plus 1 again 0, and x equal to minus 1. So minus 1 or minus 1, I mean duta 0 pai golo. Okay, and already amar root over 5 by 3 and minus root over 5 by 3 already these are the values are given. Now we have got minus 1 and minus 1. So total 4 zeros we got. And your degree 4 hoy. Your degree 4, ami 4 0 pai golo. So this is our required remaining all zeros. That is except root over 5 by 3 and minus root over 5 by 3, whatever the zeros are there, these are remaining all zeros. Okay. So again some question may become when from this term, see, we know that px is equal to gx into qx plus rx. We know about this, but kisuman question ahibo pare jiburot yar pora jikun eta term missing thakibo, baki kita term dia thakibo, but yar jikun eta term missing thakibo, hetu amar uliabo dibo pare. Jenake yar dia ase question number 4. What is given? On dividing the polynomial. So this is the polynomial. Say px is given what? We are assuming that px is as a x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by gx. You have to divide this by gx. I mean gx I divide korisu, ya value to amak dia nai. Okay, the question and remainder where? So question first given x minus 2 and the remainder, that is rx, given minus 2x plus 4. Ekta amak dia ase. Okay, so we need to find out the gx. So we know this formula simply. So that means we need to find the gx only. That means what you can do, the gx into qx is equal to px minus rx. I mean again likhibo paro, and gx is equal to what? Px minus rx divided by qx. আমি এইখিনি এটো ইকুৱেশ্যন বনাই ললো এতিয়া আমাৰ কৰিব একো না আমি সিম্পলি ইয়াৰ ক্যালকুলেশন পাৰ্টটো কৰিব লাগিব that px value is given what x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 and minus rx value is given what minus 2x plus 4 so I am giving minus 1 and bracket over here and qx value also given what x minus 2 so you are getting what x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 plus 2x minus 4 divided by x minus 2 or you are getting what x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2x that is plus 3x plus 2 minus 4 that is minus 2 divided by x minus 2 so we are getting the answer now we have to divide this see how to divide it simple x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 divided by x minus 2 same pattern eto x cube ase eto x ase so as ami divide koru x square thakibo so ami x square time dibo lagibo x cube minus 2x square okay so subtract square lage eto cancel hoy gol so minus 3 plus 2 that is minus x square the upor sign line ketar kono dhonor changes nohoy sign or so jeneke ase teneke ahi jabo now x is there and this is x square so we can give minus x time so minus x square and plus 2x subtract square it plus it minus so this is become what 3 minus 2 x minus 2 so we can give one time now x minus 2 equal to 0 so our answer gx is what x square minus x plus 1 that means we have to clear our concept and we have to use this formula when you can apply this formula you can find out the values of this okay so such type of match will come and others match are all are same like this one only so we can do so I am giving 2-3 example I hope you can understand so that's all for today okay thank you